Hello, amazing followers. I'm Amanda Pasciucco. Did you know we reached 100,000 subscribers? Thank you so much. Today, we are here to talk about productivity tips for those of you who are neurodivergent or have ADHD. Stay until the end for more ideas on how to communicate. ADHD isn't just a disorder. It's not just a challenge. It's something that helps us create a different type of way, a different map for the world in which we see. Just think about the innovators and creators who had different mental health disorders, yet were so creative beyond their time. Over the years, I've had the privilege of working with hundreds of people who have ADHD. ADHD might be a challenge to some, and especially when we're pressured into this society of different structure, rules, deadlines. Here's the thing though, challenge brings growth. And if you're growth-oriented in your values, this is an amazing thing. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. So tips, chunking tasks together. Break things into small pieces, not just clean the living room, but get out the vacuum, get out the cleaning supplies, find a cloth, empty the trash cans. Make sure you break down chunks of time into small increments. Also, schedule things that are important to you so you go back and check your calendar to see these chunks of time that you have blocked out. So make sure to schedule things that you enjoy, like dinners or going out to see your friends. So that encourages you to get in the habit of looking at your calendar. And then once you're in that habit of looking at it, start writing things down and chunking off times and breaking those down into specific tiny to-do tasks. Even if it seems really small, a part of getting things done is noticing what needs to get done. So writing down what has to be done is helpful. Next, timers and breaks. People love to put things on a timer and have a bell go off, and once that bell goes off, you stop. Then you take a brief break, and when you're ready, you go back to it. This is known as the Pomodoro technique. Again, there is no one-size-fits-all. These are just various tips. Visual ideas. Bright colors that are organized, labels, highlighters, sticky notes, going into your closet and color coordinating your outfits, or your bookshelf, putting it in order by author, by type, by color. These are all different things that we can do for visual help. Do you like the visual techniques of ADHD? What are your visual ideas? Next, an accountability partner. Someone else who has ADHD or is neurodivergent might be the perfect match for you to start working on these skills. It could be a friend, a colleague, or even a family member. Sometimes knowing that someone is rooting for you can help you. And get sunlight in your eyeballs. Wake up in the morning, do not look through glass, go outside and get sun into your eyes. This gives you dopamine. Dopamine helps you feel differently in your body. When you feel differently in your body, you can get different things done. Natural dopamine, not just likes on Facebook or things like that. Actual dopamine helps your body and helps you achieve the things that you want. Remember, what works for you might not work for the next person. So just because something works for you, don't force that onto someone else. Suggest things, but don't be attached to what you suggest. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and the bell. Send it to someone else if you think they need tips. I love your comments and questions. Please write them below. Say hi on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, at The Sex Healer, at Amanda Pasciucco. And if you're interested in learning more about how to communicate, get the therapy video below. Catch you next week.